Okay, I think we need to start now, siguro, no? Others will just come in lang. Anyway, good afternoon to all. Welcome to our orientation. So this is just a preview of what are you going to be imparted with our cooperative. So let me present to you our. By the way, I'm Ayan Sugatan. I'll be your host for this afternoon. And um, what we're going to do is to have the presentation first, and then afterwards we'll have the Q&A. And then for your other concerns, uh, we'll find time if time permits. This is only just a 40-minute discussion, so please bear with me all throughout all throughout the meeting. Okay, so let me. Let me just share my screen. Wait. Okay. So as I've said, this is our pre-membership orientation seminar, or PMIS for short, for ISCOPSEC Multipurpose Cooperative. Our ISCOPSEC Multipurpose Cooperative is found at ISCOPSEC Compound, San Enrique. This is duly registered for SEC and SSS and TIN, so this is legal. And our vision primarily is to create and sustain. Please mute your mic, please, so that we can have a smooth presentation. Our mission is to provide responsive and efficient services to our clients that will be you, and to promote progressive development of its sources, cultivate positive values, and exert greater efforts in the transformation, equality, and the life of the members. So the purpose is to be thrift, hindi lang sagad pangutang. So, pero pwede man pangutang. And number 2 is to generate funds and extend credit to the members for productive and provident purpose, and to encourage among members systematic production and marketing at the same time, to provide goods and services and other requirements to the members. So this is the main goal of our cooperative. So the concept of the cooperative is found in RA 9520, and this means that the cooperative is an autonomous and registered association of persons with common bonds of interest who have voluntarily joined together to achieve their socioeconomic and cultural needs and aspirations by making equitable contributions to the capital required, patronizing their products and services, and accepting a fair share of the risk and benefits of undertaking in accordance with universally accepted cooperative principles. Something is wrong with my presentation. Okay, so this means that in cooperative, we are strong if we bond together as one. And our example for being to be in a cooperative is just like a single match wherein you can break it down easily. But if you have 3 or 4 or 5 or matches, you cannot break that easily. So it means that if we band together as one in a cooperative, more members means more funds and more ways to meet our common goal, and that is to have okay. Okay, my presentation is working now. So cooperation is an act of working together towards an end, and derivatively, a cooperative is a form of business that thrives on the strength of members. That's why we need more members to be stronger. And that's why we are accepting you as our new member. But before that, we have to undergo a certain orientation, and that is what we're doing right now. So it is an autonomous association of persons united voluntarily to meet their common economic and social needs and aspirations through a jointly owned and democratically controlled enterprise. So our principle is based on the value of self-help, self-responsibility, democracy, equality, equity, and solidarity. In the tradition of their founders, cooperative members believe in the ethical value of honesty, openness, social responsibility, and caring for others. So our board of directors is composed of persons which are duly competent to be on their positions. It is headed by our chairman of the board, Ma'am Emeline Ligasan, together with the board members, Ma'am Rose Iliasos, our vice chairman, Sir Salvador Baliano Jr., our board of director, Ma'am Mary Jong Mendoza, and Ma'am Marvic Catalogo serves as the members of the board. So for committee officers, we have 6 committees comprising our cooperative. This is the Audit and Inventory Committee, the LECOM Committee, Education Committee, Credit Committee, Conciliation and Mediation Committee, and Ethics Committee. This is very much essential that we have committees in our cooperative for check and balance. So our cooperative has full-time support staff comprised of the office and the co-op store. So our co-op office is found on the Bagsakan Center inside our campus, and you can see that on the left side when you're passing by our entrance, our gate, and opposite of the education building. So the office is, you can see there the personnel. We have the treasurer, the account officer, and the credit officer. These persons are the ones that are going to be facing you whenever you are going there sa co-op na to. For the store naman, our store is located at the lower ground of the management building. So sa canteen natin sa co-op. So there we have personnel like our cashier, our 2 sales clerk, and 2 cooks. Okay, so let's go to the classification of membership. By the way, the classification is the identification, naming, and grouping of the members of this organization into formal system or references. So this is for your personal information only. That the ISCOPSEC members will be classified so that the management may be able to easily facilitate whenever benefits particular members deserves. Okay, please bear with me, my slide is not working. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, next slide supposedly will be the classification of membership. So we have 2 kinds of membership. Oh, please bear with me, this slide is not working. Okay, let me stop sharing, guys, and so that I can check with my PowerPoint presentation. Okay, let me present again. By the way, I'm welcoming you all. You are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people right now, but I think I'm expecting 2 more. But anyway, let's continue. Okay, so supposedly, we have two categories for membership. Being classified natin as two. So we have the regular members and the associate members. So let me define what is regular members and associate members, and then we can talk about it later. So when we say about regular members, those are directly employed at ISCOSEC, whose are entitled to rights and privileges of the members. However, if they retire or separate from the institution, they will be automatically classified as associate members only and are entitled of the rights and privileges as determined by the policies set by the board of their directors. However, for you guys, I think you have to undergo under associate membership, Anay, for 2 years probationary. So we call that associate members. So these are the members that from any institution outside of the ISCOF that they have no right to vote nor to be voted upon and shall be entitled only such rights and privileges by the laws and that may provide. I think there are certain conditions of this membership, no? It's because we are welcoming regular membership from associate members outside of the institution. May lagi doon yung BOD nga mo kada. So let's just check regarding the membership. What I know is you guys does not go to regular membership directly. So there are certain conditions that you have to attain so that you can be regular members. Anyway, for 2 years, I think you need to meet a certain criteria. Karon istorya natin kung ano ang mga criteria nila. So associate members are those members with CBU. CBU means the capital build up ninyo or the capital na ibutang ninyo sa co-op of 20,000 and up, and a member in good standing and have availed of the services offered by the cooperative. So they could become regular members later on. So associate membership and trans memberships with a CBU of 1,000 to 10,000 pesos. However, there is a BOD resolution kaya change na ang rules. Nga, supposedly, if you're going to enter our cooperative, it must be, you have to put down a CBU of at least 5,000 pesos or more than 5,000 pesos. So guys, if you're going to be a member of the cooperative, I think 5,000 pesos ang ibutang ninyo seed money. So that seed money is what we call our CBU or the capital build up. So the criteria for of the membership in good standing, we call this MIGs. Who are these persons? We call MIGs. These are the members in good standing. What are the criteria? These are the following. Number 1, patronizes the services of the cooperative. Nag-loan ka mo, tapos kanto ka mo sa co-op naton sa canteen, kag nag-avail ka mga service to ya. Number 2, they have no past due accounts. Past due is past due siguro on the lending. Okay. Sa lending natin. Number 3 is attend the annual and special meetings called by the cooperative. So if you are a member in good standing, you are called to attend on a special meeting. Sometimes it's paid, meaning to say with allowances, sometimes not, or what I mean. So number 4 is build up capital monthly income of not less than 100 pesos. So dapat every month, you are having a CBU of at least 100 pesos up or up. And then number 5 is to maintain savings account with the cooperative. So if you have if you are going to be a member of our cooperative, may duwa ka you have the seed money or CBU na ipatago sa co-op or ang konstaan pa ang mudya aton nga capital build up for the CBU, and then the other one is a savings account. So you have to maintain a savings account of not less than 1,500. Kung mag-less ka na dyan, I think may buhin na dyan, guys, buhin na ng savings nyo. Maintaining balance ka na tawag. The same thing with your ATM bala. If you are the maintaining balance of that amount, para na hindi mapaso ang ninyo savings account. So these are the general guidelines of the implementation. The step classification of the members are to be done every 2 years. So you are evaluated depending on your performance to the cooperative. if you're availing of the services, dapat 2 years lang. No? Kung naka-attain ka for 2 years, dapat may 20,000 ka rin na CPU, dapat service na ito, especially sa lending, kag sa store. So nag-purchase ka sa store at the same time nag-utang ka sa and then dapat maglabo 20,000 ang capital build up, then you'll be becoming a regular member. So all of those associate members can be classified as regular members upon awarded a certificate of the mix. So every 2 years you're evaluated, and if you meet a certain criteria, welcome ka naman dun as a regular member. So any member that has been classified to any higher classification can be dropped from her present classification if there is a violation of one criteria upon the evaluation of the EDCOM, Education Committee, and the approval of the Board of Trustees. For the services, let's go to the services. Hold on your questions later on. We have ending windows. So isa-isang ko lang. All of these windows you can avail, guys. And these are the services that we offer for lending. A bonus loan, WGA or the Wheels on the Go assistance, PBA, or pabahay, assistance, education, kung nag-thesis ka mo, production project assistance, kung may poultry ka, may farm, or etc. Calamity loan, pwede ka mo ka-loan, may calamity loan. Kung may calamity, syempre. Appliance loan, if you want to be financed by the cooperative, magbakal ka mo mga dako-dako mga appliances, mga TV, or nag-sell to our own SSM. If you want the cooperative to finance your appliances, pwede man. Appliance loan that belong. Then we have the multi-purpose loan for associate members and multi-purpose loan for retired regular members. For special loans, these are small loans, ang special loans. These are loans which tag-gamay-gamay lang or 5,000 below. Pwede nyo ma-avail. So you have the pocket money allowance or PMA. Kung example, way ka maparta, kadto mo sa ibang lugar, kinahanglan nyo instant cash, pocket money allowance if you need it, pwede sa special loan. Emergency loan for regular members, garing lang. Then travel and other taking resources loan, by padyat mo nakabil sa co-op, ang tour loan, kung mag-tour ka mo sa ibang lugar, gusto nyo mag-loan sa co-op, pwede man. And extra money allowance this season or Christmas loan, pwede man. So we have the general rules and lending. Maximum loanable amount of regular members is depending on your CBU or the capital build up. Pero maximum gid karon is 600,000 that you can loan. Pero dapat 100,000 ang imong kay times 6 guys. If you want to have to make a loan, take note that you have the loanable amount that you can loan is 6 times the amount of your CBU. Yes, ninyo. So if your CBU is 100,000, you can loan up to 600,000 by times 6 mo. Then maximum loanable amount for associate members is 200 lang get associate sa associate lang siya 200 lang 100,000. And then the maximum loanable amount will be 600,000 based upon sa pwede man nga if you need really the money, you can just sell stock with the general manager kung paluno na kamo kon amount. Pero kung associate members ata guys, 200,000 lang ang pwede niyo maximum, kay 20,000 lang ang na. Or may rule na mo kada, I think. Tandaan niyo lang basta times 6 ang loanable amount sa CBO ninyo. And then the age and the date of retirement of the applicant shall be considered in determining the terms of payment. So kung 60 ka doon, hindi ka pwede ka loan. Pareho sa SSS or sa GSIS. So the CBU of 1% will be deducted from the principal amount of loan except for PMA. So if you have a loan, like for example, if you wanted to have a loan, and then tandaan niyo, ang 1% ka loan niyo will go to the CBU automatically. So there will be a notarial fee for every loan. And then a member with CBU of more than maximum loanable amount of 600,000 can avail of the loan subject to the recommendation of the credit committee. For guys, you are required to have a savings in our cooperative. So we have the time deposit, the savings deposit, and the TD savings ang pambatang savings which ginabil kalabanan ka mga members. So sa savings program, you have to be this is a must, no? This is compulsory. So pareho man kasi diyo ninyo, ang savings naton compulsory na siya sa cooperative naton. Then you are having a service fee of 50 pesos. Then you have a maintaining balance dapat of 1.5. Then may 10 pesos na fine if kung below na sa maintaining balance. So the interest rate will be determined by the board of directors based on the current bank rate. And our partner bank is Land Bank of the Philippines, guys. An account without transaction within 2 years will be considered dormant. So buhinan na siya kung dormant siya. Meaning to say, kung may gagawa or gasulod niya part sa account niya for 2 years, buhinan lagi kay dormant siya mo. So in case of the depositor wish to activate the dormant account, mabayad siya 100 pesos. Okay. Reviewhan nyo lang karon guys kung may naskipan ka mo because I'm going to post this in YouTube so that you can what's this? Or just go to the Facebook page of the cooperative. It's COSTECH MPC Facebook page. I will post there the video of this so that of this meeting so that you can go back to things that you wanted to know about. Sige. For time deposit, sadly, ang time deposit do karon na-postpone because of the pandemic. Pero these are the interest rates for the if you can see, mas mataas ang atong cooperative kaysa ibang bangko. So mas mayad na sa invest lang sa co-op ang parta nyo, invest nga sa mga bangko like mga BDO siguro or kay sa dayan ng mga ang parta ninyo nagaturog lang. Whereas sa co-op nagasige-sige ang ganar ninyo ka interest rates. So for consumer store, this is the picture of our store. So you can visit it. And then our co-op office is found again at the Bagsakan Center. We have a health insurance that is automatically being deducted in our every assembly, January or February. Pero automatic na yan kinabuhin sa nato, sa rebates na to. So sa policy on healthcare guys, i-summarize ko lang. This is if you lang ginadidakan nato, I think 50 pesos. Pero ito 20 diya sa slides, makita nyo 20 siya. Pero actually 50 pesos na siya. Subong, kaya ginapasaan. Pero you are entitled for one hospitalization every year. Isa lang galing da beses. For one hospitalization with the amount of 5,000 pesos lang. Kung just in case nga ma-hospital ka mo, may 5,000 ka mga sa cooperative. Pero gambayad ka mo 50 pesos automatically sa every year. Naman slides ko. Okay, so dali ito mo lang dyan guys. I think we are now on. Let me stop sharing kaya nag-issue ang PowerPoint ko. Okay, sige. Okay, we are now at I think okay, on activities pa naman siguro. Okay, election of BOD officers during the assembly lang gayad. Community service every year. Kita sa mga less privileged people. Nagahata. So I think so, this year why ata kay pandemic. And then that's all. Thank you. Okay. I think that's it. That's our presentation for this meeting. Guys, if you have questions, you can put your questions at the chat box, and then we can read or you can speak directly, and then we can answer the question. Welcome po gali si Ma'am Vic nga nag-attend ko natin di. So buligan niya ko di karon Okay, I think we have 10 minutes more. Okay, this meeting is up to 40 minutes only. So you have 10 minutes for Q&A. Okay, pumangkot please. Guys, please, yes, Sir Early Anay. Nag-raise ka hand si Sir Early. Sir Early Anay, paano natin? Sige, sir. Ano lang, sir, yung mic mo, please. Kag pwede ka kambal.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Sir, batian mo ko, sir.
Yes, yes. Loud and clear, sir. Sige.
Okay. Sir, very kwan lang gid, a very short question. For associate members, bala, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have mentioned earlier nga until 20,000 ang starting CBU na or capital build up.
You have yes, sir. You have 2 years to to comply.
So what if, sir, like for associate member, like for example, he can reach or he's planning to have the capital build up of about 50,000.
Very much welcome, good sir. Yes, very much welcome, sir. However, I think based on certain the board of directors still will evaluate your sir, na hindi lagi ikaw mag hindi pagaring it pwede. Kinahanglan you still have to undergo 2 years of membership sa associate, sir. But don't worry, ang tanan nga privilege ka loan sa regular member ma-avail mo na, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir. Ang kinalain lang gid, hindi ka kabuto kung associate member ka. Unlike kung regular member, amo lang ang naglain, sir. Tanan nga services ma-avail mo man, pero ang hindi ka lang kabuto gid.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Clear na, sir.
Thank you,
good sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, some more questions, please. Hindi ka mo mamangkot kung paano ka mo mangutang. Or kung paano ang goal with ka cooperative hindi lang puro pangutang. Ang goal naton is to have savings gid dapat. So ang mga pinaka goal, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Oo,
excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Go on. Done? Yes. Okay. Sige, ma'am.
As a question to wala ni Early. Dapat kung may application na siya, i-throw online niya lang.
Sige, ma'am.
May fill upan.
Oo, ma'am.
So ang sa may at the start pwede siya kahulog 5,000 as beginning
yes,
CBU.
5,000. Yes.
Then kung gusto na nga 50 daw, gid man, pero
pwede
lahat kasi 2 years kay
2 years
sa RE 95 to 2 years gid. Dayon ma-avail gid siya na isang services para malantaw ang iya nga kung ma-evaluate ang iya kung good standing siya nan.
Yes, ma'am.
I-evaluate offer lang ganit ay 10,000 nga first initial.
Oo, sir, early hindi lang magdali. Hindi lang magdali, 50 gid. Pwede man nga lang
pwede man na siya maka-open savings galing kay Y malandit how.
Oo.
Pwede sa ang iba niya savings si anay galing kay paano siya ka-open.
Affidavit siguro, ma'am, kay pwede niya masugo lang isa ka kilala niya siguro mag transact. May affidavit ka, sir.
May SBA lang siguro. Ay ikuan ko lang sa board kung mag-meeting what if muna balaw.
Yes. I-facilitate lang ka cooperative, sir, early ang application mo. Ka lang, sir, kanamon mag-contact lang gid. Kay ara ka sa sagwa.
Kung gusto niya may mag-meeting ang board i-present ko para may na siya.
Oo, sige, ma'am. Thank you, good ma'am. Okay, so more questions, guys. Okay, we are running out of time. Hindi lang ka mo matingala nga mga utod lagi daya. Kay pira lang ka minutes ang naton. By the way, ang attendance nato sa link, please double click right now. Kay karon madura dadi. You can see there our attendance para nga man-anamon nga nag-attend ka mo ng orientation nga daya. Palihog lang. Then sa chat box, guys, makita ninyo ang link sa attendance ninyo. From Faith, Ma'am Faith, sir, sa parts ng accounting bala, sir, damo papirma sa akon nga malone dira sa sir ko. ang ano silang siguro ma'am, ang ginapapermahan siguro sa imo, I don't know kung ano yung nature kadang transaction ninyo ma'am. Ang part is a loan.
Excuse me.
Oo.
Ang sa loan niya bala,
Oo.
excuse anay.
Sige ma'am.
Hinalan to abi ang mangayo pa sa naka net pay. Kaya balam ko perma lang ko isa daw ginaano man bala sa co-op. Mga ampon amo lang ng net pay niya. Why na kami adjust kung actual gina yang net pay. It's up for them nga sa co-op kun i-grant niya. Kung amo lang net pay niya, amo ginang net pay na tana.
Oo, kay gina-evaluate man da ka cooperative ang kapasidad ninyo nga mag-loan kay base loan lang amo dyan amount hindi masalangan mo baydan kay amo da guro guys sige na
base buta na balaw base buta doon.
Oo. If you gali by the way ay kay ang iba na kita niyo man tong loan ang window sa loan kay ina damo to mo pwede man da nga isa or duha tatlo pwede ninyo malonan
ay kung associate member primero isa lang niya malone niya.
Sige ma'am.
Isa lang anay. First year niya. Kaya pa siya iya mabalangi kung good standing siya mo ang iya malang status how i-evaluate ang performance niya.
Gina-evaluate mo na siya every 2 years.
Malone, tanawon anay ang net pay. Kung daw sukog doon, ma-coordinate anay sa co-op kung what if nan. Kaya di gani hambalan niya, nga kung mapirma ako, dahil kung magbuhin, basi maakig dumaka mo. Amo ginaprank ka mo na sumbong. Na balaw. Kung sa mga kay asa ginapapirmahan niya nga gina-conforme ka nga salary niya. Kay sa mga ginapirmahan automatic kino-authorize gid nga magbuhin sa sweldo niya.
Yes, amo da nga nag-advocate kay Ma'am Faith kay gina-authorize ang co-op abi nga buhinan ang sweldo. Ang concern lang kadaya is sa mga personnel nga nag-obra sa eskwelahan bala. Kaya automatic ang ginabuhin ang sweldo na nagahalin.
Kaya kung may ara na tanang kung daw butagin, may gina-arrangement ang co-op kung what if nga mga mga mood.
Yes. Okay, thank you ma'am.
Pero mama ko na ilang taon, mga ayo gina ka net pay, required la ko ka net pay. Ilang taon na ang net pay niya.
Ma'am, I think si Ma'am Faith, coordinate lang din sa cooperative party sa protocol. Kaya nagapamangkot siya sa mga protocol or kamo lang din siguro arrange kada ma'am. Istoryahan na din kamo ka mga co-op personnel.
Ma-meet lang kita Faith with GM para may agreement.
Hindi nato da pwede ma-discuss area sa hindi pwede. Personally meet lang gid kamo Ma'am Faith ha. Sige, amo lang daguro yung sabat sa question mo. Sir Early,
may time ka Faith, i-agya lang ko kaya to si GM.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I think 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining sa time naton. Sir Early, tanay ma'am kay Sir Early ang pamangkot niya. Sige, Sir Early, sir?
Sir, di ba ka-plan ko magpa-member
yes,
sa co-op? Pero one of the requirements siguro, sir, is the SPA. So, kinanglan pa na signature ko, sir, di ba? Sa SPA.
Yeah. I don't kung dyan ka siguro sa console sa China, sir, base hindi naman kinanglan daguro yung mo. Ipadara mo malang da sir yung certificate mo ng papeles mo halin sa or mangkot ka lang sir sa console kung paano na mapadara diya sir. Kay daw amo bala day sir ya kinanglan mo. Authorization mo bala halin dayan padto di nga mag-transact.
Kay layo kami sa Beijing. Under kami sa Beijing Embassy.
Sige sir, ma-find time kita siguro sir kung ano yung mayad or ma-consult kay attorney guro gid kung ano yung mayad.
Sige sir, pwede man ma-communicate ako guro kay attorney para mamangkot sa mga questions.
Or pwede just a suggestion lang da hindi pwede nga iban lang gid ipangaran, hindi kanimo. Para dali. I don't know kung pwede amo da. Lang gid natin sir. Istoryahan lang sir.
Sige sir, pwede man sa private message na ko kanimo for some concerns.
Sige sir. Sige. Facilitate lang ka cooperative sir kung ano yung concerns mo pa.
Sige sir.
Salamat sir. Thank you.